What's up, guys? So today we're taking a break from the regular stuff. My buddy Tyler is pulling his KA out of his S13. So he went to clutch kickers last time, and I'm pretty sure he blew a ringland because the engine's running a little bit weird. So before he damages it anymore, we're gonna pull that out, open it up, see what's wrong with it, and then he's gonna send it off to the machine shop and get it bored and built, basically a forged bottom end, so he can send it by December. I'm not sure if we're putting my KA in his car or not, because he's trying to have his engine done by December, so we'll see. You guys will see in the next video. I'm getting a shell for this tomorrow, so I'm not sure how long he's gonna use this for, or even if he is gonna use it, because I'm definitely trying to build a missile. We'll leave it at that, and we're gonna head over to Tyler's in a little while, but I did get the cooling system all buttoned up, so I'm going to start the car up and see if I have any leaks, and fingers crossed we don't have any, because I'm tired of dealing with them. So we're gonna fire this thing up, see what happens, and then get over to Tyler's. Alright, see if anything leaked. Alright, nothing's leaking out of the pot. Alright. What about back here? I don't want to touch anything. Everything's really, you know how it is, hot. Alright, I don't feel any leaks. Let me check under the car. I don't see any fluids. This is a good sign. We'll check back here in like 20 minutes and see if anything dripped off. So far, so good. As you can see, I really haven't even gotten this thing to temp yet, because the head gaskets are smoking, but that's normal. As far as I know, that's normal. Everything I've read said that this is normal. So I'm gonna get more water in here and then see what happens.
From the catch can.
Flooded catch cans, man.
You get a new catch can.
Damn, man, on camera, your engine bay looks like it's the same exact color as mine. Mine don't look like this.
Maybe after I clean mine, it won't look as bad.
But on camera.
On camera, it does?
Yeah, it looks exactly the
You
same.
can see it's like so dull. I hope soap and water will get that shit up.
I'm sure it will. We're pulling the KA.
Hello?
We're getting prepared to.
Hello?
We'll see what happens. We'll see how far we get.
What's up?
I think it's got a blown ringland. What's going on here?
Fucking
Oh, nice and secure. Boys, that's how you send her.
Look,
Nice
that one's
and-
all the way backed out.
Nice and tight.
Screwing it back in.
There you go. This is how you know she's safe, boys.
Yeah, for real.
Look at Tyler's flywheel. Or starter, my bad. You guys know what this is. So if you remember from a few videos ago, I was showing you that flywheel from his engine. I was showing you how the starter was eating it up. We just pulled the transmission off here. And
it's a new starter.
This is a brand new starter.
It's not the same one from the other plywood.
Yeah, that other one's.
What do you guys think about this?
Oh, nice.
Fucking mint.
What? What is that?
All done. Pick this up tomorrow. Alright, so we're back at the house. We got the KA all pulled out. Tomorrow I'm going to be bringing my KA over to Tyler's house to put it in. But for right now, I'm just going to finish up putting on the thermostat housing, sealing those on, and then I'm going to put on the valve cover gaskets and seal those on too with some RTV. So, I'm going to get to that real quick, and then we'll see you guys in a minute. How beautiful it is out here in Florida. This state's so pretty sometimes. Alright, so as you guys just saw, got the headers all on. I see that we didn't order new gaskets for this little oil filter thing that sits up here. So we're gonna get new gaskets for that, and then we're gonna get that on. But we're getting pretty close. I'm excited. Alright, so I got the engine this far. Tomorrow I'm gonna come out here and I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow because we don't have any more parts for this. We're waiting on the front main seal, rear main seal, clutch and flywheel, and I have to tell Kent to get new the things that go here. Exhaust gaskets. That's the one. That's the word I'm looking for. So gotta get some exhaust gaskets for there. Probably see if we can find a good set of gaskets for here, because I found the old ones. They looked pretty fresh, but it's probably not the best idea to run them. But I figured I'd just put it on here for the time being so I can get an idea of what all's going on here. But as you guys know, the VQ is no longer leaking. That's all straight. I got it up to temperature yesterday and ran it for a little bit. Now all I got to do is wire up my E-fans and get those hooked up to the switch, so when I start the car up, I can start the fans up, and when the car gets to temperature, it has fans running. So I'm gonna work on that probably tomorrow or the day after, because I'm not sure what I'm doing tomorrow. So yeah, we got the KA out of Tyler's S13, and we're putting my KA in it while he gets it fixed for clutch kickers. And then today we were supposed to go and pick up a shell for me to put this in once Tyler takes it back out of his S13. But Florida decided that Mims was going to be flooded today and that we weren't going to be doing that. So I postponed that to next weekend, and next weekend I'll be going out to get my shell for this KA, and then once Tyler gets done with it, I'm going to put it in mine. So we have some really cool content coming. I'm about to be getting a drift missile. So while I get this all wrapped up, I'm gonna start my other project, and then down the road here soon I'm gonna be looking into getting my G35 or 350Z for this setup, because they really go for generally the same prices down here, and it really just depends on what's available when I'm going to get it. So yeah, we've got a bunch of stuff going, and we got a bunch of stuff coming. So if you guys are, new, and if you haven't been around very long, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification if you want to see when I have new uploads, and hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.